I'm craving some cake pops, so let's make. I just up and left. Oh my gosh. I'm craving cake pops. Let's make some. First, you gotta bake a cake. Boom! So I actually let this cool on the counter for 2 hours with foil covering it, like right out of the oven. So that way it kind of like traps in some of the moisture and, you know, like it helps form it into the dough, man. So a lot of people will take their cake, put it in the stand mixer to make the dough. Well, I don't have a stand mixer, I have a hand mixer. I'm gonna crumble this up a little bit. It's just a plastic spoon I got from Yogurtland. And then I'm gonna mix it with my hands. So now I've got it like kind of crumbled up, and then now I'm just gonna go in there with my hands and make a dough. And boom, we have our dough. Now I'm gonna roll out the dough. Now I'm using these Daisy Makes cake pop cutters, so check this out. Check this out. Boom. Bap. It made it hard. Check this out. So then it goes in here like that. I'm obsessed. I could do this all day. Look at all of them in there. Time to re-roll and do it again. These are also Daisy Makes. This is her 1/2 inch rolling pin attachment, and it's great. So it's gonna make the cake pops like 1/2 inch each time. I'm getting the biggest kick out of this. Re-roll until all the dough's gone. So 1 box of cake was able to give me 30 cake pops. So I got my chocolate here in my mug, and I actually melted this while I was making the dough, so I gave it time to cool. My favorite chocolate to use is the Ghirardelli white chocolate melting wafers, and I'm just gonna color it, and I have so many options to choose from. But I think I'm gonna go, this raspberry color is kind of sticking out to me. Like, I'm kind of feeling it. Sprinkles. I also have so many sprinkles to choose from. Oh gosh. Well, first, let's see how this color comes out. Bloop, bloop. Bloop. Where's that from? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, that's in Enchanted. When he goes, Apple. See? That's pretty. What I am going to do is I'm going to dip a little bit of the stick into the chocolate and then into the cake pop. Not everybody does that, but I do. What did she say in Hocus Pocus? I'm trying to concentrate. She's trying to concentrate. I also have these cake pop stands from the Cake Pop box. Dippity dip, 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 dippity dip, dip, dip. They match my gloves. Oh, I do like the white sprinkles on it. Aw, that's pretty.
Cake pops.
And there you go, some heart cake pops.
Cake pops.